Hi, my name is Lucio Simoni. I'm the engineering manager for BC Group, and in this video we'll be demonstrating SpO2 simulation using the NIBP-1040 series. In this case, we have our FSX 1101 plugged into the auxiliary port of the NIBP-1040. When we do that, the FSX will show sync mode, and that indicates that the ECG is being synchronized between the FSX 1101 and the NIBP-1040. In this case, the heart rate will be matching what is set on the NIBP-1040, and the SpO2 will be set by the FSX 1101. We can easily change the SpO2 level by just pressing the SpO2% level on the FSX, and that will then be displayed on the monitor. Now, it's important with the FSX 1101 to have the correct manufacturer selected for the model being simulated. That can affect the measurements and simulation of the SpO2 level. Additionally, we have the MSP-2100 available for SpO2 simulation. This would also plug into the auxiliary port on the NIBP-1040. In this case, the SpO2 levels are determined by the finger sim that is inserted into the MSP-2100. When using the MSP-2100 and the finger sims, there are three SpO2 levels available: 80%, 90%, and 97%. And that concludes the features and functions of SpO2 simulation using the NIBP-1040 and FSX 1101. For more training videos or information about BC Group products, please visit us on the web at bcgroupstore.com.
If you have any questions or would like further information, please contact us at 800-242-8428, or for international calls, be sure and dial the +1 for the US 314-638-3800. Or you can email us at sales@bcgroupintl.com. For more information about our extensive line of BC Biomedical products and other vendor alliances, browse BC Marketplace located at bcgroupstore.com.